How to pay for Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can pay for Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to pay for Amazon Prime Video, if you have a Prime Video subscription, it's very simple. Go ahead and then make sure to launch a Prime Video application here, and then you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap on the profile like icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, and again just tap the gear icon from the top right. Once you tap on this option over here, you'll be taken to this page where you'll find this option known as memberships and subscriptions. So make sure to tap on that option here. As you tap on it, if you have not yet, first of all it will ask you to verify with your password, so let me go ahead and do that as well. Once you've entered the password, tap the sign in option. It will take you to the page and where all of your subscriptions will be loaded, and if you have any of the subscriptions, you'll be able to pay for them automatically. This way you'll be able to pay for Amazon Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.